Hey guys, if it's your first time to be here, my name is French Kiss. Salut, si c'est votre première fois de tomber sur ma chaîne, je m'appelle French Kiss. Alors aujourd'hui, sur cette vidéo, je vais faire un essayage d'habits. Today's video, I'm going to do a Zara sale try on haul, okay? I just want to mention that all this item I'm going to be trying today, it's sold out. They don't have it. It's the last sale. I purchased it a long time ago. Not long time ago. I purchased it by beginning of February, you know, when they were having the sale on the website. So I purchased my items. So I was a little big, you know, I did get a lot of weight, so I couldn't try my stuff. Now I'm back to normal. I can see I lose so much weight, so I'm comfy to try them on. So I don't have to, you know, link the name or, you know, the name of the item because it's sold out. There's no more sale now. They, you know, now they have the new collection. Je voulais juste mentionner que tout ce que j'essaie aujourd'hui, c'est des soldes, des Zara qu'ils auront eu en décembre, janvier, février. Et moi, je vais acheter mes morceaux au début février. Comme j'avais pris du poids, je n'étais pas confortable de filmer. Alors maintenant, j'ai perdu un peu du poids. Maintenant, je suis confortable d'essayer le vêtement. Alors, j'avais commandé plein de trucs. J'ai comme 4 ou 5 boîtes comme ça. Alors on va pas tout essayer aujourd'hui, c'est sûr qu'on va pas tout essayer aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui je vais essayer une boîte avec vous. So I order like 4 to 5 boxes like this. I have like 4 to 5 boxes like this. Of course I'm not gonna try all of them today. I'm gonna try only one today. So I'm gonna call this video part 1 because I have a lot of boxes to try. So this is gonna be part 1 and most of stuff I think is tops. La plupart des choses dans cette boîte c'est plus les hauts genre, des tops. Ici c'est plus des affaires qui sont comme des blouses, chemises, camisoles, des choses comme ça. So in this box, most of the item that is inside is more tops. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go and try them. Like I said, it's sold out, normal sale. I don't have to put the names. I just want to show you guys what I got and everything. I think it was under $19.99. So yeah, I'm gonna go try it on and I will be back showing you guys, okay? See you guys soon. So guys, the first thing I got is this V-neck cardigan. It has some pockets. It's so comfy. You know, sometimes this knit material is very itchy on you, but this one is not like itchy. It's comfy, you know, it's so nice. You can wear this with jeans. Alors, je parlais que j'ai eu cette cardigan, c'est cardigan? Ouais, c'est un V-neck cardigan avec des poches, long sleeve, c'est vraiment confortable. Moi, j'ai pris ça à size large. Comme j'avais dit, j'avais pris du poids. Même là, j'ai perdu du poids, mais j'aime comment c'est pas trop serré. C'est confortable. Moi, j'aime ça vraiment. J'ai vraiment beaucoup aimé. Et j'ai eu ça, ça m'a coûté $19,99. J'aime ça beaucoup, c'est confortable, c'est pas baggy, ça fait vraiment comme, you know, je vais pas trop tourner pour montrer comme, je sais pas, mais je vais pas trop tourner, mais c'est comme ça que ça a l'air de ça. C'est vraiment beau, tu peux mettre ça avec des jeans, des collants, des jogging, tu peux mettre ça avec tout. You can wear this with jeans, leggings, you know, dressing pants if you know how to style it, you know what I mean? I like it. It was $19.99. I got mine in size large, comfy, not itchy, pocket, long sleeve, V-neck, you know. I'm so glad I got this. I'm gonna go to the next one and I will be back. The next item that I got is this blue puffy crop top. You know, I like it because it's very comfy again. This is dressing. You can wear this to go to work with nice dressing pants. Ça, c'est vraiment confortable. Tu peux mettre ça pour aller travailler au bureau avec des beaux pantalons, you know, noirs, bien confortables. Moi, j'aime ça. C'est classique. You know, ça fait comme une dame parce que moi, j'aime ça. J'aime ça balancer j'aime ça balancer mon style. Quand je suis dans les places professionnelles, j'aime vraiment apparaître professionnel. Et quand je suis de la place qu'il faut Tiamutu Bakata, j'aime ça ressembler comme Tiamutu Bakata. Tu comprends? C'est puffy, c'est bon, c'est classique, j'aime la couleur, j'aime le matériel, c'est vraiment, vraiment, vraiment confortable. Je me sens mieux. Excusez-moi pour les chiffonnés. Girl, bye. So guys, yeah, it just came out from the box. I never opened it, so I'm sorry for this thing. I don't know how to say it in English, whatever. So yeah, I was saying this is so nice. You can wear this to work. You can have some nice dressing pants, and you know you're good to go. The color, it works good with my skin tone. I'm so glad I got this, and this was only $9.99. $9.99. I got it, you know. The original price was maybe $35. Ça c'était $35, mais moi j'ai eu ça en solde pour $9.99. Period, honey. Period. You know what I'm saying? Period. Guys, so let me go try the next one and I'll be back, you know what I'm saying? So the next item that I got is this shoulder pad knit, I don't know, turtleneck knit material. I really like this because it's classic too, you know. You can rock it, you know. You have different way to rock this, you know. And it was only, I got it for $19.99, and it was this is in size large. Very comfy, stretchy, you know. I love it. I love how it fits. I like how it feels on my skin. Not itchy at all. Very, very comfy. I have no complaints about this, nothing, you know, how it feels. I like this part. I like this part and this part, you know. This is what it makes it more sexy, you know what I mean? Yes, even this part as well. Very, very comfy, beautiful. I really love it, guys. This one was size large. I got it for $19.99. Yes, honey, $19.99 is the thing. Yes, girl. So, yeah. I'm gonna say it again. There's no need for me to link the name of the product because everything is sold out. No more sale, honey. Ça vaut pas la peine pour moi de mettre les noms de tous les items, les noms de produits. Non, ça vaut pas la peine pour moi de mettre les noms de vêtements que j'essaye parce qu'ils ont plus les sales. Moi j'ai acheté ça en solde, il y a plus de solde. Maintenant c'est une nouvelle collection. Désolé, bisous, bye. I'm gonna go change and show you the next item. Je vais aller changer pour vous montrer le next item. Is this shoulder pad? It's like shirt. It's like just black. I don't know if I should call it crop top too because it's stuck here. It's very nice. I think it's cute and sexy. I got this, actually I got this, I got four. I got one black in large, one black in medium, one white in large, one white in medium. But the medium did not fit me. I don't know, it's somewhere in my house. Maybe I don't know if I should send it back home or give it to somebody smaller. Yeah, so I like the black one because of this part. It makes me, I don't know why I feel like anything that had like shoulder pad, I'm sorry, everything that have shoulder pad, I don't know why I love everything that have shoulder pad. And I like this one. I like how it looks on me. I like how, I know if I get just a little bigger, it's not gonna fit me, but girl, we're not gonna let that happen. We're not gonna let that happen. Summer's around the corner, honey. I want to look sexy this summer, you know what I mean? Yes, honey. Very comfy. I got this size large, $19.99. Sold out. You can get it anywhere. I'm sorry, you know what I mean? Sorry for you. You know? So sexy, cute. It's very simple, but it's sexy. It's giving you a different vibe. You can wear them with, you know, high-waisted pants. Tu peux porter ça avec les pantalons qui vont jusque là parce que c'est vraiment court. C'est vraiment court. C'est comme, ça se limite là, tu comprends? Là, ouais. C'est ça. Moi, j'aime ça à cause des épaules. J'ai eu ça en large. Et ça m'a coûté $9,99. $9,99. Le prix était $35,99. Mais moi, j'ai eu ça à $9,99. $9,99. Bisous. Ouais, j'aime ça. J'aime comment, you know. Ça a l'air, c'est beau. Tu comprends? J'aime ça. Je vais essayer l'autre et je reviens, ok? So guys, this is the next item that I got. This is like it's again shoulder pad knit sweater. Is it sweater? I don't know. Yeah. So $19.99 size large, very comfy, beautiful. Again, shoulder pad is my thing. I don't know why I like shoulder pad. I have to stop saying this, but I have to say for the last time. I like shoulder pad. Je sais pas pourquoi j'aime les choses qui ont des épaules comme ça, mais j'aime. Je pense que ça fait quelque chose de plus dans le vêtement, surtout dans le blues, pas sincèrement dans le robe, mais quand ça vient dans le blues, chemise, chandail, tout ça, j'aime ça. So, c'est ça. Moi, j'aime ça. Sage large, j'ai payé pour ça 9,99 et c'était à 39,99. C'est ça. On garde l'argent pour les soldes. Tu comprends? J'aime ça. Comment ça a l'air? En arrière, c'est comme ça. Tu comprends? C'est beau. Yeah, j'aime la couleur, c'est vraiment confortable. Je suis vraiment contente que j'ai rien pris qui chatouille la peau. Parce que la plupart des choses chez Zara, c'est le genre de matériel, c'est comme ça chatouille la peau. Most of stuff at Zara, basically when it comes about knit, it's very itchy, but I'm so glad that everything I got is not itchy at all. Like, I'm so glad, I'm so happy. I'm very happy that I got nothing that is very itchy, and I paid cheap price. Everything was $9.99, girl. Yeah. So let me go try the next item, and I will be back, honey. So next one, I got this warped top. I think you have to do this and do this. I guess so. Do this. Maybe you can close it this side if you want this side, or if you want. Hold on, let me do this. Okay, let me just restart again. Okay, let me show my. Okay, I think it's like this. You do this, you bring it back. If you want, you can close it this side. If you want, you can close it this side. If you want, you can close it this side. Or you can do one more time and close it at the back. You know what I mean? At the back, like this. So, I think like it's so basic, but it's classic at the same time. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh wow, but at the same it's like, oh wow, because this top has different vibe, you know. It depends how you can rock it. Ça dépend comment tu peux comment je dirais-je, styler ça. Alors ça vient avec des différents vibes. Si tu vois ça, tu vas dire, oh, c'est beau. En même temps, tu vas pas te dire comme, oh, c'est extrêmement beau, oh, joli, je sais pas trop. Mais tu peux d'être ça si tu veux d'être ça. Tu comprends? Moi, je sais déjà que si je vais d'être ça, je peux vraiment bien d'être ça. Tu comprends? C'est vraiment beau. Ça m'a coûté $9,99. J'ai pris un large. This was $9.99. I got it in large. Very comfy, very sexy. I can even just try to close it here. And let's see how it's going to look. You know. This one too, you can wear it to work, but you just have to be careful. You need a bra, because if this shit happen at work, honey, you fired. Tu peux porter ça aussi au travail. Mais si tu mets pas de soutien, ma chérie, you are fired. You are fired. Like, this shit is cute. Like, I like it. It's loose, sexy, comfy, nice. I really, you know, it's very nice. It's not like it's not big, but this is the style. It's supposed to be loose, get loose. You know what I mean? I love it. It's very cute, very sexy for $19.99. Girl, I'm gonna keep it in my closet. Period. Pour $9,99, c'est sûr que je vais le garder. Je vais le garder dans ma garde-robe, c'est sûr. yes, il me reste deux. I have 2 items left. I'm gonna go try it. And you know, so far I think I like everything. You guys let me know so far what you guys like. What do you guys think I should return? Because I think I still have 2 weeks to return most of the item. You guys let me know which item so far that you really enjoy and like seeing on me. The color, the fit, everything. Let me know in the comments. French kiss, this is what I think about this one. This is what I don't like about this one. French, you should return this one. French, you should keep this one. Let me know, girl. Let me know. I love, you know, when you guys comment. You know, comments is always good, even though sometimes it's very nervous to read comments. But, girl, I need it. So, let me go try the 2 items that's left, and I'll be back, guys, okay? The next thing that I got is this cute short and top set. I don't know how to call this. I got this in size, I think extra large and large. Yes, extra large and large. But I know I got this in extra large and this is large because I lost a lot of weight now. You can even see that, you know, but I can still rock it, honey, you know. So yeah, I got this one's $19.99. No, this one was $19.99 and this one was $12.99. I got this one in white too, but the white one, the short was sold out. I didn't have the chance to buy the shirt. This is how it looks like. You know, very cute, very sexy. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't want to show all my butt because this short is very short. You know what I mean? Yeah, just like this. Get loose, you know. Oh yes, honey, like that. So yes, I don't even know how to call this. It's just like matching short set, honey. I don't know. Let me know how I should call this, please. J'ai acheté ça. Le haut c'était pour $12,99 et le bas c'était pour $9,99. Les bas c'était à extra large et les hauts c'était en large. C'est ça, j'aime la couleur, c'est confortable pour l'été. Tu vois quand c'est vraiment le début de l'été là, quand c'est pas encore vraiment été là. Quand c'est le début de l'été, tu fais semblant comme s'il fait encore un peu froid. C'est ça, c'est ça. Alors, j'ai acheté ça aussi en blanc, mais en blanc, j'ai juste eu la chance d'avoir les hauts parce que les bas c'était out of stock. Like I said, I purchased the top in white as well, but the bottom was sold out. So I only have the white. I only have this one in the top in white, not the bottom. So yeah, but it's okay. I'm glad that I have this one. It's nice, sexy, cute, comfy. Yes, I really like it because you know why I'm happy? Because I didn't spend a lot of money to have all these clothes. Like I have a lot of them. Like I told you at the beginning of the video, I have like 4 or 5 boxes, and in those boxes, I think I spent less than $300. Honey. How many times did I call you? J'ai comme 4 boîtes ou 5 boîtes, et donc j'ai juste gaspillé moins de $300 pour avoir ces boîtes-là et c'est rempli. C'est pour ça que c'est mieux de garder l'argent puis acheter les habits dans le temps des soldes. Parce que le temps des soldes, tu gaspilles moins l'argent. Et tu as des choses que les gens ont payé 49, 39, toi tu achètes à 9,99, chérie. Moi, j'ai des factures à payer. Alors, j'aime ça, c'est beau, c'est confortable. Je vais aller, pour de vrai, il me reste 2 robes. J'ai 2 robes et je les trie comme ça, blanc. Actually, I have 2 dresses left and 1 top like this to try. I'll be back to show you the next top. I'll keep the short and I'll try the top. Okay, I'll be back. So, this is how the white one looks like. I just don't have the shirt. You know, same thing, nice, comfy, you know, pretty, you know, I like it. It's exactly the same thing but in white. C'est la même chose que le haut de lui mais en blanc. Mais le bas était plus dans le magasin, c'était parti là. J'ai pas eu la chance, mais je peux quand même mettre ça avec des jeans. I can wear this with jeans, you know what I mean? I really love it. I think I like it for summer. I don't know why the wet one is so tight on me. I don't know what size did I get in this one again? What size did I get in this one again? I don't know. But I feel like it's more tighter than the top of this one. You know what? I'm gonna go try the next item and I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, this is another top. I got in black shoulder pad again. And I don't know, but I cannot, you know, tight it at the back. I'm sorry, I'm here by myself. My boyfriend is not here to help me. So I feel like it's too tight here, and I got this in size large. I got this in size large. I don't know why it does not. It fits everywhere but my arm. It doesn't mean my arm is big, girl. My arm is not that big. I don't know why. You know what? But I really like it, but it's so tight here. It's not even stretchy là. J'aime ça, mais c'est trop serré ici dans mes bras. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais j'aime les épaules. Ici en arrière, je devais le fermer. I have to close it, but I have nobody to help me. Yeah, but this is a classic top. It's just black, beautiful. You know, I don't know if you guys can see the details. You know, when I'm a little close, I like it. You know, I really do like it. I'm not gonna return it. I got this in size large for $19.99 as well. J'ai pris ça en size large pour du $9.99. C'est ça, j'aime ça. Je sais pas si je peux le retourner parce que tu sais quoi, les choses que j'ai achetées pour $9.99, selon moi, je pense pas que ça vaut la peine pour les retourner. Je peux trouver quelqu'un que elle va aimer, puis je peux donner, ou je peux envoyer ça au Congo, comme les gens partent toujours au Congo, je peux envoyer ça, il y a des gens au Congo qui peuvent bien les porter. Yeah. Alors, quand j'achète quelque chose à $9.99, $19.99 et que ça me fait pas la peine parce que je n'ai même pas le goût de les retourner parce que je sais que je vais trouver quelqu'un que je vais donner parce que moi je suis quelqu'un qui donne, je partage, tu comprends? So yeah, when I buy something, one is $19.99 or $9.99 and it doesn't fit, I don't feel like I need to return it because I'm always gonna find somebody that is gonna fit, you know, my friends, my family, people that I know, you know, so sometimes it doesn't hurt my feelings, you know. But if I buy something full price, like $19, oh no, $90, $75 or $50, I have to return it. That's my $50. I have to, you know, rebuy something that I feel like I like it. But when I get something on sale for $9.99, $19.99 and it doesn't fit, I don't think I'm in the rush of returning it. Why? Because I can give it to somebody. What is $9.99? What is $19? Maybe for me it's nothing, for you something. Yeah, but me, no, I don't care. I'm gonna go try the last thing. I think the last thing is the dress. I'm gonna go try the dress and I'll be back. Je vais aller essayer la dernière robe. J'ai juste une robe qui reste. Je vais aller essayer la robe et je vais revenir vous montrer ça a l'air de quoi. The last thing I have to try for you guys is this pretty, it's very cute, pretty white short dress. It's very short. I will just tell me how cute is this dress. Just tell me. With heels, honey. Tell me how cute is this dress. Cette robe est très magnifique. Elle est trop courte, elle est formidable, confortable. Je l'adore. Je l'adore. I like this dress, guys. I don't know if you guys gonna be there and tell me this dress is not cute, but girl, no. This is everything. I like the details. You know, look at here. You know. It's so cute. I like the details here at the very bottom, how it's kind of, you know, I really love this dress. You know, I got this on sale too for $19.99. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely comfy, no complaints, very cute, very classic. You know, you can wear this if you want to go to dinner. I don't know, there's so many places that you can wear this during a vacation, airport, stuff like that. You can wear this dress. It's very comfy. Me, I can rock this dress with heels and look like a nice businesswoman, classy boss lady, you know what I mean? Yes, honey. That is how I feel about this dress. Girl, tell me this dress is not pretty. Tell me this cute, beautiful dress is not pretty. Just tell me. If you just tell me, I will shut up. I will shut up. I will shut up. So you guys, please let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about every little piece that I tried for you today. Let me know which one you like and which one you don't like, and tell me why you don't like it on me. That's nice stuff that you have to do when you're watching any video on YouTube. You don't have to, but if you love French kids, girl, leave a comment, okay? So much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to share this video, and subscribe. You need to subscribe to this channel if you like the vibe, if you like what you saw. Yeah, just go and subscribe. Let's make this YouTube channel grow, you know, because it's still a baby YouTube channel. We need to make it grow, we need to make it bigger. Yes, honey. Si vous avez aimé ce que vous avez vu, n'oubliez pas de me donner un like, n'oubliez pas de commenter, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner. Surtout, abonnez-vous si vous avez aimé l'atmosphère, le mood. Si vous avez aimé tout ce que vous avez vu, il faut s'abonner. On va essayer de faire de sorte que cette chaîne grandit, devient une chaîne comme une grande chaîne, parce que c'est encore un bébé chaîne. Je viens juste de commencer ça. Alors, n'oubliez pas de me laisser savoir qu'est-ce que vous avez pensé de tous les vêtements que j'ai essayé. Si vous avez aimé ou si vous n'avez pas aimé, laissez-moi savoir pourquoi vous n'avez pas aimé, et laissez-moi savoir pourquoi vous avez aimé la couleur, le fit, comment ça fait, comment ça apparaît dans mon corps. Si vous avez des questions, laissez-moi savoir. Comme je vous avais dit au début de la vidéo, que tous les items que j'ai essayé, ce n'est plus dans le marché, c'est out of stock. Ils vont plus ça, c'est fini. C'était la période de soldes. J'ai acheté ça quand c'était la période de soldes. Maintenant, c'est une nouvelle collection. Alors, ils ont pas ça. Ça vaut pas la peine pour moi de mettre les noms de chaque item que j'ai essayé. Alors, I don't have to put the name of every single item that I try, because everything is sold out. They don't have it. They have a new collection right now. Yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here to support me. Yeah, don't forget to like, to subscribe. You have to subscribe, sis. Subscribe. If you already subscribe, you are my people. I love you, and I vibe with you. Guys, thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you guys to my next video. Don't forget to follow me to all my social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Everything is under French Kids. French Kids. I make it easy and simple for you. Everything is on French Kids. I'm trying to figure out how to use TikTok. Once I figure it out, I'm gonna ask you guys to go follow me, because I don't know how to use it yet. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.